Today, we're going to build a Vulture Droid using 10 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This idea came when I was cleaning up Legos. A builder monkey had some kind of like car design that had these two bracket plates together with a jumper plate on top. And I was like, wait a second, this could be a Vulture Droid. So what we're going to do is start with this 1x2, 1x4 bracket plate. We're going to get two of those and just stick them together. And on the back studs of those bracket plates, we're going to get a 1x2 jumper plate. Just put that jumper plate across the back to hold these two pieces together. Now, if you're going to be playing around with this and playing rough with it, I do suggest you get a 2x2 plate and just kind of stick it in underneath to make it a more secure fit. But for looks-wise, it's just a little too thick because the Vulture Droids are definitely more streamlined and fast. So I don't put that in for this because I just kind of pose mine and take different pictures. I don't really play rough with them. So I don't need those secure connections. And you can see that jumper plate does hold it together all by itself. Now we still have these two studs in front of our jumper plate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get these pie-shaped tile pieces. I'm going to put it so that the straight ends go along the jumper plate and in the center of my Vulture Droid like this. So we've got the jumper plate, the center, and then it curves on the outside. And when I do that to both ends of those studs, it's got that more rounded look of the front of a Vulture Droid instead of like the straight Lego brick look. So I really like the effect that gives like the more curved front of a Vulture Droid. Now I still have that stud on top of my jumper plate. Well, that's going to be like the droid's brain, and for do that I'm going to get a cheese wedge slope and have it so it's sloping from the front of my Vulture Droid to the back. And now we've got the top brains of our Vulture Droid here. Now we just have to build the wings out. And to do that, I've got this 4 studs on the side of my bracket plate. I'm going to get a 1x2 plate and just put that right in the center on the center 2 studs of both of my bracket plates. And once those are on, I can grab my 4x1 slope piece or curved slope piece and just put that all the way along the side of the bracket and that 1x2 plate like this. And we've got our Vulture Droid wings. And when you're done, we've got this blue Separatist Vulture Droid, if you want to do it in brown, Trade Federation droid to attack the clones.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.